Hey guys, today I wanted to show you guys the new setting that Cricut Design Space has in their design space. So let's say, for example, I'm going to write hello. Let's do capital. No, I don't like the capital, so let's do hello. Okay, so now if you click on offset here, you can round the corners or you can keep it more of a straight line. And then you can move this and play with it. You can move it out further or closer. So I like it there. And this feature is awesome if you're going to do like stickers or print on sweatshirts and stuff, on t-shirts, then it looks awesome. So I like that. I'm going to apply it. And I'm going to change that to pink. And then I want to change my words to white. And there you go. And if you're cutting stickers and you want to highlight the whole thing, and you're going to flatten it like that. So it looks like this. So when you're cutting it out, then it's going to cut around the hello like this, which I find it to be super awesome. And now let's just say we want to have the offset button, and we're going to click this one. And we're going to apply it. Then it looks like this. And so if you're making cake toppers, this could be the back of your cake topper. And then you add your words on the top like that. So you can cut out like two. But if you're doing like t-shirts or, stickers, then you just got to flatten it. And then it looks like that. And you can blow it up and make it smaller. Oh, the other feature that I wanted to show you guys too is that, so Design Space now has these four corners where before this was an X and this was to move in and out. And then this one was to go, I can't remember all of a sudden. But now that it has this, which is awesome, you can just enlarge it or take it in. And then if you want to, like, say, delete it, you can click delete here and it'll delete it. Or if you don't want to delete it like that, you can just highlight it and press delete on your keyboard, which that's what I normally do. It's fast and easy. Or you can right click and you can delete here like that. It's super fast, super easy. So those are the two things that I find super efficient now that they have the offset button on Design Space. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next crafting video. Bye, friends.